Do you want to start a YouTube channel but have no idea where to begin? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you everything in just 3 simple steps. Step 2 is the most important one, so make sure you don't skip it. By the end of this video, your channel will be fully ready to upload content and start growing. I'm Adam, and you're watching Adam Tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Channel creation. First, let's create your channel. Open the YouTube app. At the bottom right, tap on the library option. Log in with the email you want to use for your channel. Then click on View Channel to create account. And boom, your channel is created. Step 2. SEO settings, most important. Now comes the most important step. SEO settings for your channel. This is what actually helps your channel grow. Open Chrome and search YouTube Studio. Go to the first website and log in with the Gmail you used for your channel. Inside YouTube Studio, apply the same settings I'm showing you. To find tags and viral keywords for your niche, you can even use ChatGPT. After applying all the settings, click Save. Now your channel is 70% ready. Step 3. Branding logo, banner, and description. The final step is branding. Open the YouTube app and log in. Add a name and description for your channel. Pro tip: you can also use ChatGPT to write a great description. Next, upload a logo that matches your niche and set a nice banner. And that's it. Now your channel is 100% ready. Just wait a day and then start uploading content. I kept this tutorial very simple, but if you still face any issue, just drop your problem in the comments. And if you want my next video to be about how to design a perfect logo and banner for your niche, comment logo idea. Or if you want a video on how to find viral tags and keywords for your channel using ChatGPT, comment ChatGPT. That's it for today. See you in the next video with another awesome topic. Till then, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.